So we've got a function gx, and it's equal to x squared plus 9, and we've been asked to find the value of x when gx is equal to 25. So all we've got to do is set this to 25, move it around a bit and find x. Therefore, x squared must be equal to 25 minus 9. This is going to be 16, therefore x is equal to the square root of 16, which is equal to plus or minus 4. Always square root any number to the alternative negative version and then reject. Here they've only given us the option of 4 as the answer, so A is the answer.